Hello everyone, welcome to Saka Services. In this session, we'll delve into the intricacies of using VBA macros. Specifically, we'll focus on a scenario where we learn how to dynamically highlight any attempt to add duplicate records for a specific field by applying a distinct red color. For our illustrative purpose, we've chosen a dataset containing employee records. The objective is to flag the person number column in red when attempting to input a record that already exists, maintaining the color until the value is changed. Let's dive into a quick demonstration. When I try to enter a value that already exists, observe the immediate red color highlighting. Now, let's change it to a value that doesn't exist in the dataset, and you'll notice the color disappears. Now, let's discuss the solution. To implement this functionality, navigate to the Developer tab, click View Code, and copy-paste the provided code into the Sheet 1 module. Don't forget to save the file with the extension XSLM to retain the VBA code. I've attached the code to this video, allowing you to reuse it for personal or project purposes. Thank you for visiting One Saka Academy. Please like and subscribe to stay tuned for our upcoming learning sessions on Excel.